Personality. Personality is the use or misuse we make of a unique something back of us that is expressing through us. Within each of us, there must be a divine pattern of individualization that we but dimly perceive and even more inaccurately interpret. Personality has a possibility far beyond anything that is merely physiological or psychological, for it has the possibility not of becoming a mask to hide reality, but rather an open countenance through which reality becomes expressed. We have many personalities if we understand that each is but some reflective form of that behind it which is greater, and which may express warmth and color and love, unity and peace, joy and happiness. We should learn to sense this greater self, for it is what the Bible means when it speaks of Christ in us. There is a pattern of God behind our personality, seeking unique expression through it, and to this we should surrender everything we are. For this surrender will not lead us away from reality. It is not an escape, but a revelation and an instrumentation of something greater than we appear to be. Today, I live in the knowledge that there is a presence hidden within me that is both the reality of my true being and the presence of God. I consciously unite my personal self and all of its actions with this overdwelling and indwelling reality. I know that the vitality of the living spirit flows through my personality, invigorating it. I know that all the warmth and color and beauty this is pouring through it. All its impulsions and actions flow from the presence of God in me as what I am, and reveal to me the same exalted divinity manifesting itself through all the faces of humanity. Your life is hid with Christ in God. Colossians 3:3.